hardworking 19-year-old from a poor rural community dreams of becoming a teacher to help the younger generation escape poverty. When a local school is equipped with the new technology to offer online classes and educational resources, Grace sees a little hope. However, she faces multiple challenges. Her family struggles to afford the internet. Her peers often view technology as too advanced for them. The story follows Grace as she navigates these challenges, learns to use technology to improve her life and help others in her community do the same, all while addressing the digital divide and ethical issues related to access to education. Grace is struggling to focus on her studies. She dreams of becoming a teacher, but her family's financial situation limits her access to resources.
Hoy, Andrea, ikaw muna magbayad ng kuryente natin. Natalo ko sa pusoy. Hindi ako pinagkakausap.
Eh, di ba sabi ko naman sa'yo, mag-iipon pa ako ng pera para pambili ng laptop ni Grace? Online na yung pasukan nila. Ikaw na magbayad.
Hindi ako makatalo.
Hoy, manahimik ka muna. Mamaya na, mainit pa.
Hindi ko kaya mag-aral lang ganito.
Grace, mag-antay ka lang. Mag-iipon pa ako ng pera. Pinapangako ko sa'yo makakabili tayo, mag-aaral ka.
Sa tingin mo, Grace, makakapagtapos ka sa ganitong sitwasyon natin?
Hindi, manahimik ka na.
It felt like every day I was fighting for a chance to learn. Gusto ko na makaalis sa kahirapan. Ayoko na ng ganitong buhay. Pagod na ako.
While Grace is with her mother at their stores, Grace heard two people talking about scholarship with a flyer.
Bebe, magkano sa kamatis? 5 piso po isa. Mare, scholarship. Baka gusto mo i-apply. Rush to ate. Bala ko i-apply. Uy, talaga? Saan mo nakuha yan? Doon, hinihintay doon kanina ng flyer. Why? Ate, yung naman po yan. Hindi na. Saan po yung may scholarship? Dito sa gilid may nagtanong dyan. Libre po. Namimigay ka. Punta ka na lang.
After hearing that, Grace hurried to go and see the barangay officer, ignoring her mother.
Ate, totoo po ba? Nagbibigay kayo ng scholarship? Ano pong requirements yung kailangan ko gawin? Ate, paano po? Libre po ba talaga yan? Easy lang, oo, easy lang tong scholarship namin. Pero kailangan ko makausap yung parents, mapasipin yung sisilang document. And bukas, pwede kang pumunta sa barangay center para kasama yung magulang mo. Anong oras po nagbubukas? Mga 9 a.m. Okay, thank you po. Yes.
Itong scholarship na ang sagot sa mga prayers ko. Sana maasikaso namin para makapag-aaral na ako.
Pa yung kailangan mga requirements mo dun ba? Nagawa mo ba lahat, ha? Oo, kompleto na.
Tingin mo, makakapasa ako.
Oo naman.
Nakabayas po.
Good morning po.
Morning po, perfect po.
Buti naman at interesado kayo sa scholarship na to. Kasi yung scholarship na to para to sa mga hindi kaya mag-provide financially. And yung scholarship na to is magbibigay kami ng mga materials na kailangan ng isang student.
Oo nga po eh. Maraming salamat po at nag-aro kayo ng ganito. Totoo po bang libre to at wala pong babayaran?
Yes po ma'am, and isa po siya sa mga project ni Mayor.
Ganun po. Ano pong kailangan po namin yung requirements?
Ito po yung mga kailangan yung requirements. Pasagutan na lang po ako dito ma'am. And then yung mga documents nakasulat na po dito. And padala na lang po sa monthly.
Okay po. Maraming salamat. Kasi natin ito naka.
Thank you po ma'am.
Excited na ako mag-aaral.
Maraming salamat
Bye-bye
po.
po.
Thank you ma'am. Ingat po.
Makakapasa kaya ako? Pero ko yung ipasa. Paano na lang sila mama? Paano na lang yung buhay namin kung di ako makapasa?
Nakapasa ako! Sabihin ko to agad kila mama. Ma! Nakapasa ako sa scholarship! Talaga? Na ako!
Magandang balita naman yan. Makakapagtapos ka na, anak. Galingan mo ha. Huwag mo sasayangin yung opportunity nyo dyan.
nakapasa ako.
Masisigurado nyo bang walang bayad yan? Baka mamaya pag graduate mo, sinilin tayo ng malaki yan.
Ate,
Ate, ano ka ba? Sinigurado ko talaga na walang babayaran. Tsaka project daw yan ni Mayor, kaya wala talaga tayong babayaran dyan late kahit magkano.
Naku, bahala ka na.
Tita, maging supportive ka na lang kasi makakapag-aral na ako, matutulungan ko na kayo. Kaya nga, malay mo si Grace pa yung mag-awon sa atin sa kahirapan.
Morning.
Good morning po.
Good morning, Grace. Ito na yung mga free gadgets mo and materials na na-provide ng scholarship.
Wow, thank you so much po.
And also bukas, yung free wifi, ma-access mo na siya.
Maraming salamat po.
Good luck to your studies.
As the box was handed by Grace, she was amazed at how the big screen is. She was very happy because finally she will be able to go to school.
Hello scholars! So for today, we will have an orientation on how we can properly use the laptop for you to be able to use it.
Hi, I am Grace. We are completely lucky to have this opportunity, right?
That's very true. By the way, I am Emma. Good to see you.
Actually, I was very scared that I thought I was not going to pass. But I'm Maris. We're Catholic.
Oh, really? I hope we get along.
The three continued talking and realized they have many things in common in terms of their situation. Grace was happy because she finally found her people who can really understand her. Indeed, Grace is really lucky. She was given an opportunity to achieve her dreams. She always believed that she will always make it, and finally, slowly, she is aiming for her dreams.
Kapag ikaw ay graduate with Latin honors, but it's not all of it. Trust me. So as early as now, expand your skills. Yes, it's an advantage, but not an assurance. That's true.